So today I'm going to show you guys the best, most profitable online business to start in 2019 that will easily get you from $0 to making six figures in a year. So let's go. What's up, guys? It's Ayub from Viral World, and before we get started, I just want to tell you guys today's a big day, okay? I'm excited because my course, Video Marketing Academy, is finally out after 4 months of working on it. It was supposed to be out yesterday, but some shit happened, okay? Shit happens. And it's finally out today. If you don't know what that is, it's an A to Z course I made that will get you from 0 subscribers to making $5,000 to $10,000 a month just by using YouTube's traffic to drive different streams of income by promoting affiliate products, selling courses, info products, drop shipping, and I even have a bonus course on there which is free that will show you how you can make money on YouTube without making videos. So with that said, since it is launch day today, the price is currently the lowest it'll ever be for the value I provided in that course. The price is going up next week, and for the first 10 people to sign up to the course, you're going to get free one-on-one coaching with me personally through Skype, okay? So not through email, not through my support team, but through Skype. So hurry, guys, the link is in the description. If you're one of those first 10 people, you're going to get an email from me, okay? So yeah, guys, today I wanted to show you guys one of the most profitable businesses you can start in 2019, which is info products. Now, for those of you who don't know, info products are basically informational products. So think ebooks, online courses, and online coaching. Now, you've probably seen a lot of people on YouTube in the entrepreneurship niche doing this. They have courses out, and there's a reason why all of them actually have courses out, including me. And it's because they are highly profitable. In fact, I'm sure most of them make more from the courses than what they make through whatever it is that they teach. And there's nothing wrong with that, okay? As long as you're giving out value and can get people results, real results, it's no problem. And the thing with info products is that you don't need to sell a lot to make six figures in a year. You can literally sell $100,000 courses and make $100,000. And selling $100,000 courses in a span of 1 year is not that hard if you have a following. So to actually get started with the info product business, to start selling info products, you need two things: a following and having knowledge in a particular subject, on some Tai Lopez shit. So it could be any subject, any niche, because you can really sell a course on any niche, literally anything. Let's say, for example, you're a producer and you make beats. If you have a following, you can easily sell a course on how you make your beats. If you sew, if you play guitar, literally any niche you could sell a course on. So for the following, the best place to grow a following is on here, on YouTube. Growing a following on YouTube is really easy if you can make the right videos. And when I say right videos, I mean videos that target certain viewers with certain titles. So if I were to start a channel from scratch with 0 subscribers and wanted to teach people about Instagram, how to get followers and all that, and later on sell a course, the first thing I would focus on is getting the subscribers, the following. And you don't need a lot of subscribers to start selling a premium course, only about 700 to 1,000. And to get those subscribers, I would do just like I said, make the right videos for the right audience. And I talk about this exact thing in my course, Video Marketing Academy. So making how-to videos, how to grow Instagram followers, how to get likes on Instagram, and so on and so forth. I would upload those kinds of videos daily and just focus on content and growing the channel. And once I grow the channel, I can then put out a course for a premium price, say for $597. If I have 1,000 subscribers and only 1% of those 1,000 buy the course, that's almost $6,000. And mind you, I only counted the subscribers that buy the course. What about if those videos that I made about the Instagram followers are still getting views to this day? Okay, that's traffic right there, free traffic to the course. And one of those people that watches those past videos has to convert. So it would be really easy to make that much every month and even more. And this is what I love about YouTube. It's like a traffic machine. If you can rank a video, get it on suggested or search or whatever, it's going to keep pumping out free traffic to your videos. And then those views are going to funnel into your course for a long time. Now, if you don't want to spend time trying to get that following, trying to get the subscribers, you can take the faster route, which is paid traffic. and Facebook ads. So you're actually going to need to invest money to make this work, obviously, with paid traffic. But the good thing about paid traffic is you're going to start seeing money right away. Now, when I say that, that doesn't mean it's going to be profit, okay? It could be a loss, it could be breaking even, but you will start seeing money with this route. All you have to do is work on your course once you have the course ready, and then simply promote it on Facebook ads or Google ads or wherever. But here's the thing. When you have no following and no authority in the niche that you're doing a course in, no one knows who you are. So you can't randomly come out of nowhere trying to sell your course on Facebook ads or Google. So what you do is basically set up a webinar funnel, an evergreen webinar funnel that's going to take people through a webinar where you explain to people what you do, who you are, how your course can benefit them, and then boom, you retarget those exact same people with ads again. So the people who watch that webinar are continuously seeing your ads again and again. They know who you are now. So once they know who you are, and if your webinar was convincing enough and you can convert them, then you'll be able to make a lot of money, especially when scaling on Facebook ads or Google ads. However, I do suggest you go the free traffic route and use YouTube, because YouTube alone is highly powerful itself. And once you get the following, you can actually scale to Facebook ads and Google, and your offer would convert because people already know who you are. So yeah, guys, building an info product business, in my opinion, is the best thing you could do in 2019, and not even in 2019, forever. As long as you can provide value to people and get them results. Don't go out scamming people with shit product. And I teach this exact same method in my course, how to make a course, what to put in the course, how to promote the course through email, through YouTube, through funnels. And it's funny because it's a course teaching you how to make money off courses. But hey, at least I'm telling you guys the truth straight up, not like these gurus that say they make money off this, off that. No, guys, the real money makers are courses. So if you want to make money in 2019, start a channel on YouTube, build a following, and sell info products. And that's it for today, guys. If you have any questions, make sure you comment them down below, and I'll try to get to them. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, and peace out, guys.